So the new season of schoolboy football kicked off over the weekend with the usual spills and thrills and skills. But that incident with the burglary and the theft of the St. George's College dressing room, phones and other valuables gone under the noses of the private security guards and members of the security force. All of this is followed by a heartfelt plea for the robbers to return the stolen goods. But my question is, what happened to the people responsible for the security of the dressing room and the players' belongings? Which security company going to lose them contract? And which security officer will lose their work? And if and when an investigation is done, who will be held responsible? So quietly, one of the biggest problems crippling Jamaica is our disdain for accountability. That word in a Jamaican dictionary, we don't know what it means. When things like this happen in Jamaica, all we hear is, Jano, ain't that roughy? Boy, what are we the boy, them wicked? Why you not do it? And then it's done right there, so. Till the next incident. So you want no match play this evening. Don't check the dressing room. Check the dressing room, then if them get robbed again. Check the dressing room.